let's make some hummingbird nectar. Here's our hummingbird feeder, got it off Amazon. Little pan to boil this up. Measuring spoon, bowl, cup. So I'm in my grandpa phase in life. I haven't been drinking for the past 7 weeks, so now I feed hummingbirds and adopted 2 dogs. Sugar, 2 cups of water to half a cup of sugar. 2 cups. You're supposed to, oh, you know what? Alright. I know, you have to do it flat. Half a cup, give them just a little more sugar. Pour that in there, a couple minutes. Now they come all the time, but they're fat, yo. They go through this in like a day and a half. So she's boiling. So now we're gonna turn it off. Take it off the heat. It's cooled down. I just poured it in the sink because I kind of spill it everywhere and it gets sticky. Don't mind my dirty pizza pot. Twist the top on. There we go. And let's go hang it outside. There you go. Now we wait.